2 minus 2 gives us 0. And again, here we have 2 minus 2, which again gives us 0. And 0 times 0 is equal to just 0. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operation, PEMDAS, which I will write here, so according to the rule PEMDAS, P stands for parenthesis, E stands for exponent, M and D stands for multiplication or division, A and S stand for addition or subtraction. According to this rule, the first thing to solve is parenthesis, right? Parenthesis is priority number 1. And the second thing to solve is exponent, and exponent is priority number 2. And the third thing to solve is multiplication or division, right? And finally, we have to solve addition or subtraction. So this is the right order to solve. And if we solve subtraction before multiplication, that is wrong, right? This is wrong, and we have to solve multiplication before subtraction. Here in our problem, we have two subtraction. One is inside the parentheses, one parenthesis, and a multiplication here. So if a number is placed next to parentheses, that means multiplication. Therefore, we have a multiplication as well. So 2 minus 2 gives us 0, and the problem becomes 2 minus 2 times 0, right? And we have to do the multiplication before the subtraction, because the multiplication has higher priority than subtraction. So 2 times 0 gives us 0, and 2 minus 0 is equal to just 2. So the final answer to this question is 2.